I just poked myself with it. Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18.
Making our Christmas memories.
You guys know what this video is about. I got this awesome drone. I just poked myself with it. I got this awesome drone for my birthday. But before we get started, I'm Anna and I make lifestyle videos, vlogs. I do tech unboxings and reviews. If you like those kind of videos, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and hit the notification bell. So the drone that I got is called the DJI Mini 2, and it looks like this, which you guys will see in the unboxing. And I will have this drone linked in the description box below. So now let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so I love that sound, and it does have a little open tab right here. I just made one little slit right here where it said open, and then I just flipped it out, and here we go. It's right on top. Oh my gosh, it is so tiny. Okay, well first let's see what we got in the box. They try to make it user-friendly. Okay. Okay, so looks like these I'm gonna put over there, and then these, it looks like these three are the main things. Okay. This looks like just paperwork. Some extra propellers. I'm not sure what part this is, but this looks to be an extra part as well. Just a basic USB-C to USB charger. USB-C to micro, I believe. USB-C to USB-C. I'm not sure what all these chargers or cords are for, and I don't know what this is, but I guess I'll figure it out along the way. Yeah, that's all that is in this. Okay. There is this little tab right here. This is very, very small. Another one right here. These are very, very thin. All the propellers look the same coloring, the same size. Okay, there isn't a quick setup guide, which would be nice. There's a lot of safety info. Huh, this is a disclaimer and safety info. Well, let's check YouTube. I am sure people have already had this question before, so let's see what's out there. There are a few beginner's guides that were posted less than a month ago. This is a brand new product, obviously.
This is your complete beginner's guide. What is it? Are we talking charge the drone with this connector over here?
So I realized that there's one sticker I missed. I don't know how I missed this one. It's a big one. Some stickers over here I need to remove as well before I do anything else. And then as you can see right over here, there are some instructions. One, unfold the front arms forward. This looks like it's the front arms. And then these back arms flip on this different rotational axis. So the front arms just flip forward, and the back arms, they rotate. There is also a difference of this edge over here on the front arm. The back arms, they don't have that. So you can see the front arms, they have this. The back arms are just flat. So when you put this down onto a surface, this will be resting right here, and the back arms will just be resting right here. Okay, a couple of things is that I do need to get an SD card, which I don't have. It's one of the little ones, but this is called, I think, the gimbal cover, and you do have to remove it during the flights. It's where the camera is. Back here is where the charger, the USB-C charger, and the micro mini SD card goes. So I will have to charge that up, and I will do that as the next setup step. And then in the controller, this portion over here on the top comes out, and this is where your smartphone will rest, right in here. You just stretch it out all the way and stick your phone in. Under here is where there are some screws. In the video, he took them out super easy, but I use this thing, and then you screw these in. These are the controllers, how you can move the drone around. This is how you can navigate the drone, and there's 2 of them, and they are really nicely packed right into these 2. That one came out a bit easier, and they screw right in. They feel pretty secure, but if you wanted to travel with it and make it more compact, it's really nice that you can store those here. I will also have to charge up this controller, and then you do have to get the app. Let's just go to the app store. So I do have to download the DJI Fly app. It's just called DJI Fly. That's loading, and you guys can see the body of the drone is smaller than my phone. So this is the drone compared to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's see what it looks like when it's all compacted. Let's do a size comparison. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the DJI Mini 2. That's kind of crazy. These little helicopter propellers, they can fold in, no big deal. They're very lightweight. They're not really taking up room. They're just spreading out. The camera portion over here is wiggly. You can move it around. So I wonder how they stabilize that with the controls. So you can see the differences here. I would say this is just a couple, maybe 2 to 3 inches wide, and it's kind of tricky to get used to, but front arms forward and back arms rotate back. I'm gonna have to get used to that. And I'm gonna charge everything up. I'm gonna order an SD card for this, and then hopefully it's gonna be good weather enough for me. I've also already downloaded the DJI Fly app, and hopefully this week there will be some good weather and I will be able to test this out. But at least I got to do a little unboxing and show you guys everything it comes with. The next steps basically for me are going to be to charge everything up, to get that memory card in here, and then to connect my device to my own app, and then to test it out. But that's all I'm going to film for today, because I need to charge this up and order everything, and then I'll move forward. And I will be leaving my control screws in because I'm not traveling with this right now, and if I was going to go anywhere to a park or anywhere like that, I would probably just carry it like this. The only time I feel like I'm going to unscrew these is when I actually travel with it, maybe where I need to put it in my purse, or I'm carrying a lot of other stuff. That's why I wanted to get a drone camera, so I could take it to the beach and traveling. I'm gonna go charge this up, get my memory card, and hopefully I will get to test this out really soon. So exciting. I cannot believe how tiny and lightweight it is. I'm honestly not sure if I should take off these stickers. I think I'm just gonna leave them on because they do kind of give directions on how to open it in case someone else is handling my drone. I'll just leave it on and just to remind myself, since I'm not even really used to it yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox it and kind of seeing everything in here. So this was my first real first unboxing mini setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing of my drone. And just to let you know, the DJI Mini Original, the first edition, is actually on sale at Costco for $300. I don't know if that's still the current price, but I did see that this weekend, and that's a great deal. If you guys really want a drone camera, definitely check that one out. I decided to go ahead and get the Mini 2, which is this year's updated version, and that is because it shoots in 4K. Before I got this guy, I did do a lot of research. Oh, I just dropped everything out of the box because I was holding it in my lap. Before I decided to pick out this one, I did do a lot of research, and basically the Mini 2 is the best value I think you can get. It's around $500, but it gives you a very small mini drone, and it does shoot in 4K. This didn't go on sale for Black Friday. I checked a few places. Unless the $500 was the sale price, I'm not sure, but it was around that price point last time I checked. And this is really user-friendly. There are so many YouTube videos about it. It's going to be really easy for you to teach yourself how to fly this and how to use this. That's why I got it, because I don't want to spend so long messing around with it that I can't use it and enjoy it. I wanted something that I can use and enjoy, and that wouldn't frustrate me, that would just be more fun and fun to learn and fun to use. With this drone, you do need this memory card, not this memory card, but you need a micro memory card like this to put in right here. So I did just get this separately, and I got this on Amazon. I will link this as well down below. I'm excited to test it out, which I have not done yet. I've not tested it out because I live in Chicago and the weather has not permitted. I want my first few flights to be on days that it is not windy, and then I will go from there to see what I'm comfortable with. Obviously, you don't want to ruin this. It's durable, but you don't want to fly it in bad weather when you don't know what you're doing, like I am. Hopefully this weekend I will be able to fly it. The property I live on is really big, and I have plenty of room to play around with it. I'm seriously so excited to go on my first flight. I really hope I can do it this weekend. And this video is just unboxing the drone, the controller, what's in the box, showing you guys some close-ups. So I'm gonna do a separate video talking about the setup and my experience with my first flight, and I'll show you some footage from that. That video will be coming very soon as I can get out there with my drone. Like I said, hopefully this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me unboxing my new drone, and if you guys want to see the follow-up video where I'm going to be doing my first test flight with this new drone and see the footage from that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you want to watch some more videos from me, click on any rectangle on this screen. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys. Bye!